It's not boring in Russia. Drone was shot down in Lyubertsy, a suburb in southeast Moscow. And what we thought is a shot-down drone, it turns out to be a fire in a factory workshop that produces electronics for missiles. Russian media report. Tomolinsky Electronic Factory in Moscow region reportedly produces components for Kaliber missiles. No official confirmation so far. 2 Russian attack helicopters and an aircraft chased a Ukrainian drone near Cape Tarkankut, Crimea, but failed to shoot it down. Defense Intelligence of Ukraine posted a unique video. Despite continuous fire, Ukrainian drone left the battlefield undamaged and successfully returned to the base. The Ukrainian drone attack on Pskov, the genius strategy of the Ukrainian fighters, will, for many years, be written in all the textbooks on warfare.
Телефон доверия Главного управления МЧС России по Псковской области.
Алло, здравствуйте.
Здравствуйте.
Там взрывы какие-то происходят в городе. Что там происходит, не подскажете?
Да, там на аэродроме в Крестах там самолет горит.
А, в самолет попало, да? Понятно. А в один только или в несколько?
Один.
Один. Ну, сейчас еще постараемся. Сейчас еще другие тоже. Сейчас я просто корректирую здесь. Спасибо большое за корректировочку. Спасибо большое. Слава Украине. Слава Украине.
In the Odessa region, a family, while relaxing at the seaside, found a message in a bottle from the occupied Crimea. They saw the bottle on the beach and wanted to throw it in the trash, but they noticed in time that there was something in it. They opened. They read. Our whole family cried. We really want this boy to know that his message has been received and want him to see the armed forces of Ukraine in Crimea, said the people who found the message. They will. Our friends from United 24 produced an excellent video of the Magyar birds. It contains information about Magyar, the inception of his team, and how they operate as a force multiplier. Good watch. Check out their channel on YouTube.
In under a year, this unit swiftly evolved from infantry trenches near Kherson into a unique combat force, a company of attack drone pilots. Headed by an entrepreneur and an official, this group of pilots has already destroyed hundreds of enemy armored vehicles. This is the story of the Magyar birds, who bring death to the enemy from the skies. In the modern warfare realm, nearly every unit has its own social media account. The Magyar YouTube channel has over 150 videos. In the majority of these videos, a bearded figure shows more and more drone strikes.
As the enemy's self-propelled artillery gun managed to make 10 shots and is currently attempting to flee, a suicide drone is dispatched to intercept, and we will now change the course of events. There it is. Little guy. Boom.
Meet Robert Brovdy, a Ukrainian soldier recognized by the call sign Magyar. Before the full-scale invasion, he was a successful businessman and official, heading Ukraine's sole state-owned commodity exchange, the Agrarian Exchange. However, sensing the impending major war, he enlisted in the territorial defense. He took part in the Battle of Kyiv and actively undertook combat missions in Bucha and Borodyanka. After that, he ended up near Kherson, where, in his own words, he did not like it as he had to constantly take cover in the trenches due to massive shelling. Then he bought a drone at his own expense to better understand what is going on around him. This was the beginning of a unique combat unit of the Ukrainian army. In just 1 year, the Magyar Birds, an attack drone company within the 59th Separate Motorized Infantry Brigade formed by Robert, became one of the most successful units.
One well-equipped attack drone company is capable of destroying over 100 enemy armored vehicles each month, and we have proved this by our example.
While initially the group created by Magyar did not have a single professional military or drone, the intensity of the war was such that on occasion his unit made 50 sorties per day. The result is an incredible efficiency. For instance, in early June 2023, the group destroyed or damaged 35 enemy armored vehicles in just 4 days. Overall, they have destroyed more than $1 billion worth of enemy equipment. The FPV drones are one of the Magyar Bird's trump cards. However, they also have other vehicles in active service. Among these is the R-18, an octocopter developed by Ukrainian volunteers. It can lift ammunition weighing up to 5 kilograms, which it then drops on the enemy from a height of up to 300 meters. Detailed characteristics of the drone are not disclosed, but it is known that it can operate at a distance of up to 4 kilometers from the operator and spend about 40 minutes in the air. Another Ukrainian development, Punisher, was used by operators to blow up, among other things, a Thor surface-to-air missile system capable of intercepting airplanes, helicopters, missiles, and drones. This system costs about $25 million. Contrastingly, the cost of the UAV itself stands at $10,000. Even civilian drones can contribute in combat, serving not only for reconnaissance or as makeshift bombers with light ammunition. During the spring of 2023, an ordinary drone from the Magyar Bird's arsenal, costing a couple of $1,000s, tracked down and air-rammed an enemy drone valued at over $11,500. The unit's primary objectives include enemy detection, frontline patrolling, fire adjustment, and launching attacks. Magyar himself shortens this into his unit's motto, Eyes and Sting. He recently demonstrated how well these eyes work. A Ukrainian drone showed one of the symbols of Donetsk, which has been occupied since 2014, the famous 5-star Donbass Arena Stadium, which opened in 2009. As for the Sting, see for yourself. These fighters are also working on technological advancement.
We are actively training a neural network with footage to detect and identify enemy personnel and equipment that remains hidden from the naked eye. Our objective is for it to recognize helmet or machine gun outline.
In the meantime, the soldiers keep an eye on their screens to bring victory closer. Following the counteroffensive on Kherson, they fought for 110 days straight near Bakhmut. They continue to be an invisible terror from the skies for the enemy.
The Magyar Birds are diverse but very nice guys who have united around the common idea. We volunteered. We want to maximize the efficiency of our actions in this war. We yearn for justice, and we will remain here until the day of victory.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job.